super soft and moist pumpkin cupcakes. Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. In a small bowl, we'll mix together all-purpose flour, brown sugar, pumpkin pie spice, and baking soda. Whisk all the dry ingredients together and set them aside. In a large mixing bowl, pour in the pumpkin puree, some condensed milk to make our crumbs soft. As we are making these without eggs, yogurt will help them rise as it reacts with the baking soda. Now add in the vanilla essence and oil. Mix it all together. Then add in the dry ingredients. I'm using brown sugar for that extra moistness in our cupcakes. If you don't have brown sugar at hand, you can replace it with regular sugar. Add the milk as well and whisk thoroughly until everything is incorporated and it looks like a thick pancake batter. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and push that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Line the cupcake pan with paper or silicone cupcake liners. I'm using an ice cream scoop to fill in the cupcake molds. Fill each cupcake liner with 1 scoop of the batter. Bake the cupcakes at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Let these rest for 5 minutes, then remove them from the cupcake liners. Those look delicious. In another bowl, mix together brown sugar and cinnamon. Spread this mixture on a plate. Dip the cupcakes in melted butter, then coat them with the cinnamon sugar mixture.